Good day, viewers. I'm Benette van Wyk, CRO at Catalyst Fund Managers, and this morning I'm joined by Theodore Frazen, a Senior Investment Analyst of our Catalyst Global Real Estate UCITS Fund. Today we will be discussing our Q3 Global Dashboard, and I want to say a warm welcome to Theo from a sunny Cape Town. Theodore will be joining us virtually. So Theo, let's get right into it. The long-anticipated Fed rate cut finally started in September, where they reduced the interest rate target by 50 basis points to a range of 4.75 to 5%, and they've signaled that more easing is ahead. Can you maybe unpack to our viewers what the effect of this interest rate cut has been on the global listed real estate sector?
Hi Benette, thanks for having me. It's nice to see you again. That's a very topical question. Lower interest rates obviously benefits the listed real estate market significantly. Firstly, low interest rate leads to reduced financing costs for the listed real estate companies. And secondly, lower discount rates leads to a higher net present value of future cash flow streams as delivered by listed real estate companies. Therefore, it's no surprise that the sector has outperformed equities during the quarter.
Theo, if we then zoom in and just looking at the third quarter of 2024, how did global listed real estate compare to global equities and global bonds?
The sector delivered strong performance of 16.5% total return in US dollars. The outperformance was notable compared to global equities and bonds. However, year to date, real estate is still lagging the equity market. Historically, listed real estate has outperformed equities following a rate cutting cycle. Therefore, we believe that there's still room for outperformance to continue.
Theo, if we include inflation and we include interest rates, can you unpack also some of the other key factors that are driving the current performance of the global listed real estate sector?
Lower inflation and interest rate cuts are obviously a tailwind for the sector. As we said, lower financing costs enhances the profitability of real estate companies. In addition, supply and demand is generally in good balance. Sectors like data centers and healthcare, specifically senior housing, are currently enjoying strong demand. The stability of the income streams of REITs, underpinned by long-term leases, are particularly attractive to investors looking for predictable cash flow streams during economic uncertainty.
Theo, as we've referred to in some of our previous dashboards, capital markets have really been driving the bus in the last few years. Now, given this current tough economic environment, how have these REIT management companies been actually addressing all these financial challenges?
REITs have employed prudent balance sheet management by maintaining moderate leverage. Most REITs have long-term fixed rate debt and access to multiple sources of capital like debt and equity. This makes them more flexible and less vulnerable to refinancing issues compared to private real estate investors.
Theo, I'm sure our viewers would like to know what the outlook is for the sector. So last but not least, can you please share the outlook for the global listed real estate sector with us?
The outlook for the sector appears promising as inflation cools and interest rates are expected to decrease further. Operating fundamentals are broadly healthy. In addition, REITs are currently attractively priced compared to equities. Stable cash flow streams like those of REITs are sought after by investors in softer economic conditions. Balance sheets are overall in good shape. And lastly, free cash flow yield of 4.7 is expected to grow above inflation in the medium term, which will deliver decent returns for investors in the sector.
Theo, as always, thank you for sharing your valuable insights with us. I think you've really left our viewers with a very compelling case for the global listed real estate sector. Viewers, thank you for your time and for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more, please refer to our full Q3 Global Dashboard, or alternatively, please reach out to me as per the contact details below. Thank you and goodbye.